This 2011 Tiffin Phaeton 40 QTH is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Tiffin is 40 feet 5 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a Tiffany Decor, cherry bark cabinetry interior, sleep 6, TV antenna, auxiliary battery, water heater, air conditioning, slideout, skylight, self-contained, external shower, stove top burner, awning, and 90 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2011 Tiffin Phaeton 40 QTH is built on a Freightliner chassis and is powered by a Cummins ISC 380 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.